Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase or decrease a PDF layer size using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and it's the left sidebar. Here you will find this arrow, click here and click on this layer option and select this option icon and this drop down arrow and select here import as layer. And this layer dialog box open and click on this browse option and insert your layer. Insert this layer and give a layer name, layer, and this is layer absolute size, and in case decrease this layer size and make it 80%. Also can increase and see this and see this. In this way you can change layer size and finally select OK and see this. Our layer now inserted. Now click this file option and save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.